Imagine a world where your morning coffee not only wakes you up but also shields you from chronic diseases. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the hidden benefits of drinking coffee without sugar. Did you know that your daily cup of black coffee can boost your metabolism? Caffeine promotes thermogenesis, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. Struggling to stay focused? Coffee without sugar can enhance your mental clarity and focus by blocking adenosine and increasing dopamine and norepinephrine levels. Packed with antioxidants, black coffee helps neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and protecting your cells from damage. Looking to improve your physical performance? Consuming black coffee 30 minutes before exercise can boost endurance and athletic performance without the extra calories from sugar. One of the most compelling benefits, drinking coffee without sugar may lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and regulating blood sugar levels. Your heart will thank you too. Regular consumption of black coffee without sugar has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Black coffee can also protect your liver from diseases like fatty liver, hepatitis, and cirrhosis by reducing harmful liver enzyme levels. Want to live longer? Research shows that people who drink black coffee without sugar have a lower risk of premature death from various causes, including heart disease and neurodegenerative disorders. So next time you reach for that sugar jar, think twice. Embrace the pure, unadulterated benefits of black coffee and sip your way to a healthier life. Stay energized, stay healthy,